Hello and welcome to a special episode dedicated to all of you out there who are unsure whether learning to code is actually worth it. Well, the short answer is yes, absolutely. And the title of this video is not a joke. Learning to code can actually change your life for the better. Let's learn how. The first aspect we will look at today is problem solving. Learning to code can really boost your problem-solving skills and teach you to tackle situations from angles which you would otherwise would never have even dreamed of. Think of the many coding challenges I've published on this channel. I'm sure many of you who tried them came up with a different solution to mine. That clearly shows how the same problem can be solved in several different ways. By the way, if you wish to check out my coding challenges and solutions, I've left a link to them in the top right hand corner of your screen and in the video description. The second reason why you should learn to code is to enhance your ability to perform critical analysis. This means you are able to take a problem or life situation and clearly identify all its aspects, all the variables at play, and then, piece by piece, find the best possible solution or the best way to act. This can be very helpful in many real-world situations, also including our relationships at work, with friends, and even with our loved ones. The third reason why you should learn to code is for all of you out there looking for your first job or searching for a better position. Simply put, knowing how to code looks good on your CV. Recruiters know perfectly well what we said before, and that is that knowing how to code is extremely helpful for boosting your problem-solving and critical analysis skills. So even if the job you're looking for is not coding related, having this skill can still help you improve your chances of being successful in the job market. Now though, before we move on to the next reason you should learn to code, don't forget to join the Coding Specs community. Each week you will find coding tutorials and challenges aimed at developing your coding skills. So whether you are a beginner or have already learned to code before, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Another reason why you should learn to code is dictated by the career path you wish to undertake. Any job in IT or data analysis, as well as many jobs in finance, marketing, and engineering, require coding knowledge. So, if you wish to apply for positions in any of these fields, learning how to code is pretty much essential. By the way, do you know of any other career paths that require coding skills, or any jobs you have done where coding was essential? Well, if so, then let me know in the comment section down below. The fifth reason why learning to code is important is flexibility. While most paper-based or traditional jobs require you to work from an office or another fixed position, most coding-related jobs allow much greater flexibility in terms of both time and location. So, if you prefer a more flexible approach to work, then coding might be the answer for you. The next reason is quite generic, but I still think it is important. And that is, the world is full of code. Look around you right now. Pretty much every single electrical appliance or device has some kind of code in it, even if you aren't aware of it. Why, even right now, what device are you using to watch this video? A phone? A computer? A smart TV? Well, every single one of those only works thanks to code. So, in short, learning how to code helps us gain a better understanding of how most things around us actually work. The final reason why you should learn to code is actually very simple. Anyone can code. I know it sounds impossible, but it's true. Learning how to code does not require any previous knowledge and can actually be quite easy. The only thing to do is find the right approach, and in no time, writing code will feel as natural as writing normal text. So I'm sure many of you will be asking yourselves, what is the best approach for learning how to code? Well, in my opinion, the best way is to select a coding language that is widespread enough to allow people to exchange ideas, solution, and advice, but also flexible enough to allow you to perform both simple and complex tasks in a simple, straightforward, and intuitive manner. That is why I recommend Python as the best coding language for anyone who wishes to start coding or who has coded before but wants to refresh their skills. So, if you wish to start your coding adventure or enhance your skills, then look no further and follow along with my Python tutorial series. You can also put your knowledge to the test with my Python coding challenges. You can find a link to both of these in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description, so make sure to check those out. Having said that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. As always, I look forward to seeing you all next week for a new video. And until then, happy coding!